You cover the macro policy and then coming down to technology. I think one slide that most of the people here would like, including us, BFW, would be that you said it's a combination of technologies that would exist. IC engines would still exist in some products. The hydrogen technology would come in. Alternate fuels with the IC engines would be there, and a big part of electric and other will be there. So maybe that's a good news for many of us here. I have just one question. When we think about it, I mean, one of the statistics says that any of these technology in, say, some states of US would not still be a carbon zero, because the power generation for catering to such alternates is also a factor that we should consider in the macro part of it. What's your opinion about India in this particular thing? Maybe all the three of you, but anyway.